Hi there! Today we have in the house the newly launched budget earphones from Boat, the Airdopes 121 Pro. Now they're priced at just $1,299, and for that price they really have a lot to offer. Firstly, there's a display on the case that shows you the battery percentage. Then it comes with beast mode, which is basically low latency gaming, so gaming enthusiasts should definitely look out for this one. Then it comes with quad mic with ENX technology, which helps for better phone call quality. Wow, I'm really excited for this one. So let's quickly unbox it and have a closer look. So here is the retail packaging of the Boat Airdopes 121 Pro. You can see the image of the earphones right here. Some key features are mentioned here. Image of the earphones, some more manufacturing details and MRP details. All more specs here, beast mode, battery indicator screen, 5 minutes ASAP charge, lots more here which I shall cover in the video. Let's quickly unbox it. Oh wow, that color looks really nice. So here are the earphones itself, really compact packaging. Lots and lots of paperwork, 1-year warranty card, some more info. Here's the user manual, here's the USB-C charging cable, and finally 2 extra pairs of silicone ear tips. So let's have a closer look at the earphones. The case looks beautiful. I love this color, looks really nice. By the way, the case is really compact and small. You can see the display right in the front here. On the top you can see the Boat branding. Towards the bottom you can spot the USB-C port, the pairing button, and let's open it up. Oh wow, the display is turned on. You can see the battery percentage, 83% of battery remaining. Really nice. Inside you can also spot the 2 earphones. Let's get them out. Okay, wow. So they're already in pairing mode. You can see that the lights are blinking, the blue and red lights. That means they're in pairing mode. Boat logo on the top here. They've got this nice buds and a very small stem design. The stem is at an angle, so it should provide a really good grip in your ears. Buds design, so it should give you that really nice fit as well. And you can see that there are microphones here which are going to be helpful for phone calls. Really nice, very light, and really good looking earphones. Alright, talking about the fit, as you can see I'm already wearing them and I can tell you that they snug in really nicely, cancelling out most of the ambient sound. Also, thanks to that buds design, they're very comfortable and provide a really good grip. They aren't going to fall off. I've been testing it quite a lot. Then it comes with IPX4 rating, so it's protected from mild splashes and sweat, so you can wear it at the gym or for a run. It's good to go. Then this tiny case here houses a 400 mAh battery that will provide 40 hours of fuel to these earphones, and I think that's amazing for these TWS earphones. Now each of these earbuds comes with a 40 mAh battery that should last for about 4 to 5 hours. My favorite part is ASAP charge. So 5 minutes of these earphones can be charged in this case will give you 60 minutes of music playback. Trust me, that thing comes so handy. Now these also come with Bluetooth 5.3 and they have 2 benefits: better connectivity, better battery efficiency. Then we also get touch gestures where you tap on top part of the stem to control the music. So you tap once on either of the 2 to pause and play the music, tap twice on the left for previous track, tap on the right one twice for the next track, tap and hold for 3 seconds on the left one and your phone's voice system will be triggered, and my favorite part, tap and hold on the right for 3 seconds to turn on beast mode. It also announces beast mode. It's really cool. So this basically is low latency gaming mode where it reduces lag up to 65 milliseconds. Let's check it out. So now we're playing this game where the beast mode is turned off, and I'm sure the lag is pretty much noticeable. Let's turn on the beast mode. Beast mode. There you go. Now let's check it out. Now I'm gaming with beast mode turned on. Wow, that's a drastic improvement. Actually almost perfect. I think it's really good for casual gaming. Then these earphones also come with a quad mic setup with ENX support, which basically helps you to cancel out the external sound around you for cleaner phone call experience. Time for a demo. So now you're hearing the audio from the Boat Airdopes 121 Pro's microphones. And this is how it's going to sound to the opposite person when you wear these earphones during a phone call. I think they're quite clear. There's no fan sound, there's no air conditioner sound. It's quite good. However, you're the best judge, so write down in the comments and let me know how you found the audio quality. Alright, finally coming to the part which is the most important, sound quality. So these Airdopes 121 Pro come with 10mm drivers that provide the signature both sound experience. Thumping deep bass, which a lot of you guys are absolutely going to love. It's truly deep. bass fans na to khush ho jayenge. The mids are decent, they do get a little muffled because of the bass. However, the instrument separation and clarity is still very well maintained. If I had to summarize, for 1299 rupees, the Airdopes 121 Pro are terrific. They've got good bassy sound, they're light, they're compact, they've got a long battery life, and of course, with that battery percentage display. Excellent phone calling experience, and the beast mode just makes it perfect. Yes, it lacks app control and dual pairing feature, but then for the price, I really can't complain. Truly loved it. You can buy it right away from Amazon for 1299 rupees. It's available in 3 colors. There's black, there's royal blue, and this yummy mint cream. This color is truly eye-catching. I'll leave the links below in the description for all. If you like to buy one or even two, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.